Good day everyone. Today I will present a short skit about being a first aider. This skit shows how important it is to stay calm, responsible, and caring during an emergency. Through this performance, I will demonstrate the good qualities of a first aider and how first aid can help save lives. Ready to help. Characters. Narrator, First Aider MG. Injured student Jamie. Friend. One afternoon at school, an accident suddenly happens. Ouch! I slipped and hurt my knee. Don't panic, Jamie. I'll call the first aider. Hi, Jamie. I'm here now. Please stay calm and don't move too much. A good first aider stays calm and confident during emergencies. Now clean your wound and put a bandage on it. I need to be gentle and careful so it won't get worse. Thank you for helping me. You're very kind. A good first aider is kind, patient, and responsible. You really know what to do. I'm trained to help and I always think about others' safety. I feel better now. Thank you. You're welcome. Helping others is important. If you feel pain later, tell a teacher. Because of the first aider's quick thinking and willingness to help, the student is safe. Qualities of a good first aider mentioned in the skit: calm, confident, knowledgeable, caring and reassuring, observant, alert, responsible, quick to respond, prepared. Being a first aider is not only about knowing first aid skills, but also about having a kind heart, staying calm, and acting responsibly. Our skit reminds us that anyone can make a difference by being prepared and willing to help others in times of need. Thank you for watching our skit.